Good morning, Ovidalcy Middle School students. This is Mr. Woolley. And remember, the information contained in this video is intended to be viewed only by the students in Mr. Woolley's classroom. By watching the video, you agree that you will not record or share the video with anyone who's not a student in Mr. Woolley's classroom. All right, today we're going to be working on a review for algebraic expressions and solutions. Some of our lessons out of our second module in Eureka Math. So we'll go ahead and take a look at these. All right, remember, the video should be watched after you've submitted your review twice. And if you still have any questions, now watch the video. All right, so here we go. Question 1. Eric's father works 2 part-time jobs, one in the morning, one in the afternoon. He works a total of 40 hours Monday through Friday. If his schedule is the same each day and he works 3 hours each morning, how many hours does Eric's father work each afternoon? You may want to set up an expression to help solve. All right, so he works 5 days of the week, and we don't know how many hours each day, but the schedule is going to be the same. So there's like a mystery amount of hours, A, in the afternoon, but we do know he works 3 in the morning. So if I distribute this, I get 5 chunks of mystery hours in the afternoon, and then 5 times 3 gives me 15 hours in the morning. So if I take rid of all those morning hours, take away 15 from each side, leaves me a 5 of the afternoons, should be a total of 25 hours. So divide each side by 5, and each afternoon ends up being 5 hours. Question 2. Henry's using a total of 16 feet of lumber to build a bookcase. The left and right sides of the bookcase are each 4 feet high. The top, bottom, and 2 shelves are all the same length. How long is each shelf? This is one where a diagram can kind of help. We know that the sides are going to be 4 foot alone. Then there's a top and a bottom and 2 shelves. So technically there's 4 pieces of wood that are the same here. So I have 4 shelf sizes plus 8 feet used up on the sides. 4 and 4 make 8 to give you 16 total feet. Let's get rid of the side pieces because we don't really worry about those right now. It leaves you with 4 side pieces is 8 feet of wood. So divide each by 4. It means each shelf spot is going to be 2 feet wide. Number 3, Michaela exercises 5 times a week. She runs 3 miles each morning and bikes in the evening. If she exercises a total of 35 miles for the week, how many miles does she bike each evening? All right, so 5 times a week she does the same thing. We do know she runs 3 miles in the morning. There's a mystery amount of hours that she bikes. So 5 times, you see in the parentheses there, we have her exercise for the day. Well, if I distribute, I get 5 days of biking plus 5 days of running makes 15. If I distribute 5 times 3 to get 15. Let's get rid of the running. We don't need that in there, so we take that away from each side. These are 5 days of biking is 20 hours. So divide each side by 5, miles. Divide each side by 5, and it ends up being 4 miles there. So 4 miles each evening. All right, question 4. 6 friends go to the movies. Each person purchases a popcorn for P dollars and a frozen drink for F dollars. Choose the expression that represents the total amount of money the 6 friends spend at the concession stand. The answer is here, 6P plus 6F, because 6 popcorns and 6 drinks. All right, using our expression for number 4, how much do the 6 friends spend on the refreshments all together if each popcorn costs $5.25, each frozen drink costs $3.75? Well, 6 times the $5.25 and 6 times the $3.75, you get your 2 total amounts, and you add them up and you get $54. All right, question 6. A family of 6 went out to a restaurant for dinner. Every family member ordered a meal and a drink. 3 ordered an appetizer and 4 ordered a cake. Which expression could be used to figure out the cost of the bill? Well, there wasn't 6 of everything, so that can't work. And then there was 3 appetizers and 4 cakes. Kind of goofed up there. And then we forgot the drinks on this one. This is where it has 6 meals and 6 drinks, 3 appetizers and 4 of the cakes. So their last choice there. All right, now we're going to use that information here. Using your expression for number 6, what's the total cost of that bill if, and this the meals are 18, drinks are 3, appetizers are 6, and cakes are 4. So that was our original answer for number 6. Take 6 times 18, 6 times 3, 3 times 6, 4 times 4. You got your answers there, and you total it all up for $160. Now, using that same answer, the $160 from number 7, suppose the family had a 10% discount coupon for the entire bill. Now what's the total? Well, you were supposed to pay 100%, the full amount, but you get 10% off. So really, you're only responsible for 90% of the bill. So make that a decimal, 0.90. So 160 times 0.90 gives you $144 for the bill. Question 9, using our cost for number 7. So I'm going back up number 7, $160. If you leave the waitress a 15% tip, how much money will you leave the waitress for her tip? Well, 160 times 15%, or 0.15, gives you $24. So 24. And lastly, number 10, Steve designed web pages for his customers. He charges $145 per web page. However, he must pay a rental fee of $525 for his office. Write an expression to determine his take-home pay after expenses. Then they wanted you to use a capital W to represent web pages, and don't use any spaces or decimals. So 145 times however many web pages, so 145W, minus, he's going to have to take out $525 for the office rent every month. So 145W minus 525. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Good luck on your test tomorrow.